Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off the Nespresso Essenza Mini machine that you see right here. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. Now, this machine, as far as I understand and as far as I can remember, is equipped with an auto-off feature, as are most coffee machines nowadays. So essentially, you see the machine right here, it is on, but it will automatically turn off by itself after a certain number of minutes of inactivity, which is completely normal, but there are ways to actually turn it off manually. There is a specific way to turn it off manually. As you can see right here, all that you actually need to do is press both of these buttons down at the same time and release them really quickly. So we have the espresso button right here and the lungo button right here. Let me give you a better view. I'm going to press them down and release them. Just like that. Boom. The machine has turned off. It's literally that simple. Okay. So we're going to turn the machine back on. I'm just going to press one of the buttons. It's already heated up. That's why they're not flashing. Once again, to turn off the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine, the easiest instructions that you're going to find, just basically press these two buttons quickly and release them. Press them at the same time quickly and release them just like this. And as you can see, they turned off. On. And once again, just like this, off. It's that simple. Okay, and you can also, like I said, leave it alone for a certain number of minutes of inactivity and it will turn off by itself, but that's how to do it. Now, don't press and hold those buttons down because then you're going to send it into a different, it will activate a different thing. But just to turn it off, very simply, it's on, just press and release them together quickly like that. And that's it. That is how to turn off this coffee machine right here. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.